Hey guys, I have here my JBL VIBE 300 truly wireless earbuds, and in this video I want to explain to you how to unpair these earbuds from all devices that these earbuds have been previously paired to. And the process that we use to do that is called a factory reset, and this is done really easy and we can complete this within a couple of seconds. So first we take out both earbuds out of the charging case, and at this point you see that the earbuds are still automatically pairing here with my iPhone on the left side. Now the factory reset is done by pressing the touch sensors on one of the earbuds twice and then immediately pressing and holding it until both earbuds are going to power off. And you know that they powered off when the LED on the earbud blinks shortly twice. And of course also the earbuds are going to be disconnected from your phone. Now in order to reactivate the earbuds, we're going to place them both into the charging case. You will see on both earbuds that the white LED is going to light up for a couple of seconds. And now if you want to check if the factory reset was successful, just try to reconnect the earbuds back to your smartphone. You see, if I try this now, then I'm going to get this error message telling us that this is not possible anymore and we do have to pair our phone again with the earbuds. So at this point my phone is looking here for a new device and we're finding the JBL VIBE 300 TWS, we're selecting it and we are immediately connected again. Yeah, so this was already it. How to factory reset the JBL VIBE 300 TWS earbuds. I hope you found this video helpful. And in case you have any more questions or comments, then please leave a message below.